So we are on Vlogmas day 7. I'm about to pluck my eyebrows and I'm watching Gene Dean breakdown on the Diddy documentary.
Street stuff what was going on with bad with the streets and then traveling with him and the atmosphere and stuff with the Tupac and the whole thing. He sound like, yo, listen here. Tell me, give him the number to 10. I say, nah, I ain't doing that. Got a hell of a story with Pump. So then I talk to 10, 50 a piece. You know what I'm saying? And they see my was that he was trying to get a deal from all three. So I'm looking at it like this. So I'm going to say right here, bro. How you gonna say? So the whole thing about why I'm not in the thing, the lady was talking about I know we the whole 9 yards. So, who was the reason why those kids lost all those kids running down the steps. You know, I left them dead out there and trying to put Puff out. But I was there, I saw it. It was put down there in that he did. And that car and everything like that. And I don't care if it's your girl or not. You took responsibility for that.
It looks a little thick, but I'm feeling it. I'm leaning more into my thick eyebrows just a little bit.
You understand? You know what I'm saying? 1 or 2 came out and said that Wolf is Justin's father. Wolf is a former bodyguard of Bad Boy that was murdered by an associate with BMF. So now he is maybe 8. We shoot him off to the studio. Wolf was that type of dude. So I didn't say nothing. But I know the difference. I know that he wasn't because they had a blood test. They had the money allegedly to pay. You know I ain't no rascal. I ain't tell nothing about you. He's mad over the Nolan niggas. Y'all know who the Nolan niggas is, the New Orleans. I'm gonna leave it at that. Because I ain't gonna put that man in.
Trying all kinds of medication combination. Brianna's had
what's in there, but they're curious is all of this because he does not like the dollar. It's a valid question.
Watching the reckoning. Right, so that is the Puff Daddy piece, the things involved in this piece. Oh yeah. But 50 is kind of record execs or anything like that. By one person is but told. Which is something we've heard before. Yeah. Just to the doctor. Like that little segment to the you have heard, but how it somebody in the know putting this towards that. How was it like actually now at the head and then I'm in the spec this song, I would have loved it. I mean I was happy to do this part. That you with the wifey and then Porter would come around, some Cassie to go up and I'll be sure and they got everything. Relationship with Aubrey. She looking at him like, yo, she's saying you're not provocative enough. You know, it's him in the group, so he's the focus, the story, but framed a certain way and with some.
Okay, then I figure out what to do here.
The doc was like, and when everybody turned their backs, I was totally like, yo, what the fuck was like? Yo, I like to make her drink it, play with it, douse. And it why weirder than all this, but you know that's there. Yeah. But back to the last one. It's already out. Dirty money eyes and pass.
Video integration. So try Studio
300 million in the 90s. Yeah.
Goddamn.
I'll cut it right here. Just a little bit.
You know what I mean? So that's what he wanted to do. But it's a different. The world has never seen nothing like this before. Like even watching it, you never saw gangster that sold there. I had to run to some religion at some.
Talking about what he possesses. Yes, I think that he possesses just again. You know what I mean? He's interning. He's going to college weeks to his drive and his dedication to be great.
Won't stop.
Yeah, bro. Like it's just different. I think if Puff hit the ground today and he was broke, I think in 5 years Puff would be back at multi-million easily.
And the outcome, because he
now on Artlist, and it's the ultimate AI image and video mock. Create view to understand. Then turn visuals and an end frame, giving
terms of the code involved in it, been convicted of for a long time. I'm gonna do whatever because
I think he views again with enemies. You know, you look at John. Every chance he get, he
business, and I can shoot anything document. Then I might not double down.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with this. And I did this so quick. I'm trying to think of what it put.
I'm pretty sure that if
I'm thinking maybe.
look at it from
Is that too cool to them?
take shots at fifth, that's your
So that's the difference to me. And I'm not saying like that means so much. No tribes that just went broke.
I'm gonna blend this out and then come back.
to make excuses of why they're doing it, justifying. But then say, even if it's all about what your belief system is.
Yeah, but it shouldn't, but it does.
Then we know. Yes,
It's like I would never do that. You see, like,
Part of collecting, organizing, structuring the storyline with all the footage, interviews, even the editing team. They put this together. Gonna do this right. I did it from behind bars. To me, whether a fitting got a
Last week, I had an idea for a side project, an AI tool. Normally, that means months of learning to code or spending thousands of developers. Bringing fans. Ironically, peeing on his girl that he was licking and kissing it.
Of course, I have to do lashes. I'm just gonna do it on the end of my eye though. I'm not gonna do it to it. It's 9:32. I really don't feel like moving the camera. So I'm gonna just show y'all me doing my hair because I don't feel like moving the camera. Look what I just did.
So, to receive our food, she had an attitude, and I'm not sure and got shot. And for some or whatever, presentation room. The lady presentation was gone, she said, me and my sister were okay. We was walking out to one of my sisters. On the weekend, and I said, yeah.
This is the second sister, Maestro. Introduce.
Right. I'll be right back.
The homicide investigation, a lot that goes into your child and identify your child. But I'm just an officer. I tell you guys my condolences.
I'm gonna use these fox eyelashes and then these wispy meat lashes. I kind of want to, because I want it to be more thicker, and I really want to just use it on the ends of my lash.
Simply walking.
Self-defense. The investigators are going to look at a few different things. They're going to who provoked it. Investigators are going to
Honestly, these look so cute. I'm not gonna use them. I mean, I might just double these up.
about how things unfolded, and they may also look at what the person
Swell.
did afterward. The fact that someone was an unarmed victim doesn't necessarily mean that someone can't be
So cute, so cute.
That might be a factor they also could.
Done with my makeup, done with my hair. I'm about to get dressed.
she didn't get the hell out of her.
All right, I'll be back. Let me take my picture. I'm in my uniform. I'm wearing my buck shirt. I have to cut a tie small. So this is how it normally looks. And I'll wear it like this. And in the handbook, it shows you a whole bunch of different styles. But every time I wear it like this, they tell me that I'm supposed to wear it this way, which is how the girls normally wear it. So this is how they want me to wear it. On my cover up, because we're not supposed to wear our uniform outside of work. So I'll put on a jacket. I usually like something I can zip up and zip off that I don't have to put over my head. I love hoodies, but I hate taking it off at work. This. It's back. This is me off to work. Look at the socks. I was thinking about changing and wearing my other socks, but I like these better. So like today I look really cute. I could take pictures today, but my shirt is really old. Like this is the red when I first got it, and this is my shirt. Look how dingy it got. I need a new shirt. But I'm bringing my camera. I have my small lens in here, and then I'm recording my big lens. I love my big lens. This one looks so dirty. So it says I'll get there at 11:30. So I could just sit and chill for 30 minutes because I thought I didn't have my uniform. But I did. The only thing I'm missing is my belt, which is in my car. I have one piece of jewelry. Oh, let me make sure I have my stuff. No, it's I was gonna leave my stuff. So happy I thought about that. And I have my black belt. My white belt is in the car. It's old. It's worn. It's vintage at this point. Lord. Look, this is how we hang our pouches on our belts. It's like this. You have to take it out the loop, and then it has a little hole in it. You put it in there. You put it in here. If you're on bar, you don't wear this pouch. This is only for servers. On bar, you just have your bar key and that's it. It's 11:11. Let's get ready to take a picture, y'all. Let's go to work. I'm so upset because I forgot to record a picture. I'm here. I gotta put on my shoes. I'll do that now. I think that's the only thing, yeah. I put in my earrings. I'm wearing these again. Same boots again today. See you guys later. Bye. Change of plans. Oh wait, not y'all noticing. Okay. Long story short, they didn't take the tag off. I didn't steal the jacket, but we're going to Gin Joint. This is Destiny.
Hi, I'm the famous, the one and only. What's your scent?
Oh, it's Victoria's Secret.
It smells good.
Thank you. It has sparkles in it. Do you want some?
Yeah. It smells like a jelly bean.
Oh, thank you. I always post it. Also, we're gonna go find the secret mystery rare glitter dumpling. And I'm hoping that one of us get it, because if one of us get it, then that means good vibes. Target. Well, not the, well, actually, yeah, the boots. Everything Target, actually.
Target.
Yeah, whole outfit. 30. Couldn't be no more than 30. We're about to go. I'm about to take my picture, and we'll see y'all maybe later. I don't know. Bye. That is so cute. I'm upset. My day is ruined. They don't. What?
Okay, let's do our own. We can't find the mystery dumpling, but there's a mystery squishmallow over there.
Where?
Mystery meow meow.
Which one is the best one?
It's not the same. Or there's also this one.
Is this the mystery? So they have these other mystery ones, but you can see at the bottom. I have the penguin one. I know it's the penguin one for sure.
It's like the same one. This one's a squishy figure. This one's a squish'em.
It's a squishy one?
A squish'em. Squish'em.
Ooh.
Okay. This is the squishy one. Alright.
We need to stop.
We're all on ready to go.
We're unboxing our mystery squad things. I know I got a penguin. It's not even a joke.
I got
know.
two. So I know I have to have this Christmas tree.
Are you guys ready?
I'm gonna let her go first.
Okay, hold on.
Dun dun dun. Let's go, my TikTok camera.
Are you guys ready for the reveal?
Dun dun. Oh, you got the penguin!
All right. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.
Is it black? It's like gray.
I don't know.
Oh my
It's
gosh,
grayish.
she's so cute.
Oh my god, it's so cute. They like besties. So cute.
The Christmas tree, but I love her just as much, don't I?
She wants to get the Christmas tree. Her name is Carol. Oh my god! Why are you psychic as hell?
I wanted was this little
And they're so
glob.
cute and tiny.
This is so cute. We have a little family.
Hi. I'm gonna take my picture and then I'll see y'all later.
Peace out.
Bye.
Go to Five Below, get you one or 3.
There's no way.
Wait, I'm so confused. Look at this. This is fun up.
What? Hold up, stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. Stay right there. Dark.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know what time because both of my phones are dead. We're at Miller's Ale. About to eat some good food. About to eat some good food. The only thing charged is my camera. So, cheers to Vlogmas. Day 7. Wait, can you see?
So when the game was on the line, in those key moments, the Chiefs did not make the plays. Historically, they have always made the plays, and yet somehow this entire football season, we have seen them not make the plays, and it is very hard to explain.
Hopefully we can get it.
Your boxing ring. It's your dugout. Bedtime.
Hey guys, I'm hungry. Let's put some touch to it. Should I get considers? Nachos. And
I don't remember when she ordered this. Okay, ignore the music, but I just had to show you guys burger look. So perfect.
I'll be right back.